Hello everyone. So in this video, we will study about the Pseudo-class selector. We have studied combined data selector already. So here is Pseudo-class selector. So for the Pseudo-class selector, I will create the new file pseudo.css.html. So here I will show you what are the Pseudo-class. So Pseudo-class are the used to define a special state of an element. So what is the state of the element? Let's say if you click or hover a button or a link of the element, it is we call a state, right? So after you visited a link, so it is the state it changed before you visited a link and after you visited a link. We can say that two different state. So that is the Pseudo-class is meant for it. So let's create the actual HTML code here, HTML5, and then I will show you in here we will create a link, right? So using the a tag, then I will say CLI CK click me. So I will open that. So here is click me. So as a default, link it all the way with the underline and the color is blue. So here inside the head tag, I will define the style tag to write the CSS. So let's create the initial initial state for the link color. Okay. So when we write the Pseudo-class, we can write the Pseudo-class code like this. For example, we need the selector, right? Selector is here is a, for example. So SELECTOR selector. Then we have to write with the full colon like this, and then we will have different state here. As you see, the state is like active, blank, or checked, or current, or these are the state that we can use in the Pseudo-class. So let's say here is the let's say visited state, right? Visited state, TEVISITED, visited state. Then you can write the simple thing with the key value CSS base time like this, PROPERTY, and then value. So perfect. So this is the written format style of the Pseudo-class. So let's write the actual one here, a, and then I will say if it is link, right? If it is link, I will define COLOR, color will be red. So if the link color will be red. Right now you will not see the color red here because we need to define the state, another state here to see that effect. So let's say after VISITED, visited state. Okay, after visited state we will call visited state here. Then I will change the color will be green, right? So after that user is visited, it will be, as you see now, it's affected because we never define the link, so it's already know that we have visited. So let's say I have created another file to show you the example, like example.html. so this is just a HTML code. We can create the link using the same folder, no problem. So I will call that example.html link. So I have never visited that example.html link in our website, right? So now it's fall back into the red because we never visited here. That's why it's red, right? If I delete that link, initial state link, it will fall back into the original color of the HTML a tag link, right? Color. So perfect. Now we know that two different state using the Pseudo-class. How about if I hover let's change the color of maybe I like brown. So if I hover, as you see, the color is changed to brown. So that hover is working all the time whenever you hover your mouse state. So this is we call hover state, right? Hover state. And how about the we have active. If you click that link, so that link will be active, right? So let's say ACTIVE active. I am using the like 4 different state. You can also study about state a lot, pass-through classes. And like color, I would say background color will be black. So let's do the actual testing here. Let me minimize here to see the entire code. Okay, perfect. So now we are seeing the initial state color red. Let's visit. Then we now get into the example page or HTML. So I will go back, and then you see that the visitor color has been applied here because a link is already visited. The browser know that, right? So this is what pass-through class meant for. And then if I hover, it's all the time working the same reset. And how about the active? We don't see the active. To see the changes of the active, you can create the target, then blank. So by doing target, it will open that link into the another tab like that. So it will not rewrite the entire tab, so we can see the changes, right? So if I click, as you see, it's very fast. As you see, you will see the changes background color of that. Oh yeah. So if I press and then I never release my mouse, you will see the click me because it's active right now. So active state. So this is how you can use the pass-through class in CSS. I hope you will understand. And next video we will study more about the HTML CSS selector, and I will push that code into the Git repo so you can study about the nodes. Perfect. See you in the next video.